I shall be 40 minutes late to reach my office if I walk from my house at 3 kilometers per hour. I shall be 30 minutes early if I walk at 4 kilometers per hour. Find the distance between my house and the office. Now, let's assume that the ideal time to reach office is 12. So, if I am traveling at 3 kilometers per hour, then I am reaching 40 minutes late. That means at 12:40. And if I am traveling at 4 kilometers per hour, I am reaching 30 minutes early. That means I'll reach at 11:30. So you can see that the difference between the two times is 17 minutes. So we can have a very simple equation. Time when you are traveling at 3 kilometers per hour minus time when you are traveling at 4 kilometers per hour is equal to 17 minutes. Now I'll convert this into hours. So 70 upon 60 hours. Now the general formula for time is distance upon speed. So we can easily make this equation. So this becomes distance upon 3 minus distance upon 4 is equal to 70 by 60. So the zeros get cancelled out. Now we have here 4D minus 3D is equal to 12 is equal to 7 by 6. Now 6 twos are 12. 4D minus 3D, that is D, is equal to 14 kilometers. So that's our answer. Distance between house and office is 14 kilometers.